Connect the LAN port of the RK-MCU and the network port of the SIP phone with the switch using the Cat5 cable. Connect the PBX traditional analog telephone with the VoIP voice gateway. Then use Cat5 cable to connect the VoIP voice gateway and the switch. Use the same kind of cable to connect the LAN port of the RK-MCU with the network switch. Connect the PC with the RK-MCU. Check the IP address through the LCD screen on the RK-MCU. Open the browser on the PC and input the IP address, i.e. version 10 plus is recommended. Select the language for the web page. Currently, only Chinese and English characters are supported. Import the default username and password to log in. Users could add or change the username and password after logging in. The default username and password can be found in the user manual. Select the tab Web Admin on the left menu to add a new admin account. Only the administrator account has the rights for adding, editing, or deletion. Input the account name and password, confirm the password, and then the assignment of one new admin account has been added. To add new users, select the tab User on the left menu, and then click Add. Input the account number. The account number is defined as the phone number that users could dial on their SIP phone to open specific zones. Only 3 16-numeric characters could be entered as an account. The domain name is the IP address of the server. If the PC connects directly with the RK-MCU, the domain is the same as the IP address of the RK-MCU. Input password and confirm. Click OK. Additional users can be added, but each new user should have their own unique account name. Select the tab Setting on the left menu to assign the server and client. The server could be selected as either local or remote. If remote is selected, then users would need to add a new account number with a different IP address in the User tab. For the client setting, users could select one of the accounts as the server device account. No tasks will be triggered when dialing the account number on the SIP phone. To check the account status, select the tab Status on the left menu. After setting up the account number, corresponding tasks need to be configured. Select the tab Telephone on the left menu, then select Common Information. Upload audio files in WAV format. Maximum of 14 files, with a total maximum of 30 meg of music can be uploaded. Click Upload. Select Normal Call Chime configuration. Select the tones from the uploaded list of audio files. These include welcome tone, password error tone, select zone tone, zone error tone, start chime, and end chime. Click Save. Select Call Account. Click Add. Select Account from the list. Input broadcast password if needed. If it has been enabled, then users would need to input the password when dialing a specific number. Input priority from 56 to 255. The maximum call duration could be set from 1 through 10 minutes. If the zones need to be matched with a related dry contact output, please check this box. It refers to the dry contact output of MCU, Zone 8, and Zone 24. If users want to set the calling task containing the zone information, then check Select Zone box. There are a maximum of 5 accounts that could be added without choosing a zone. If not, users need to input the zone number when calling the SIP phone. Click OK. Users could customize the zone extension number in the Zone Info section. Users need to dial the extension number when dialing the number when a zone selection has not been prompted. New call accounts could be added. call account could be edited or deleted. Users could view the revision record from selecting the Log tab on the left menu. If there is no preset zone, first dial the call account number, followed by the pound sign. After the prompt tone, if the call account has a password, enter the password. If the call account does not have a password, then dial the zone number, ending with the pound sign. If multiple zones need to be paged, then dial the zones beginning with star and ending with pound. After following the steps above, the MCU opens those corresponding zones. Users could use the telephone to page those corresponding zones. The chime tone will guide the users to input a password and start speaking. If there is a zone preset, directly dial the call account number. The MCU will open the corresponding zones. Then the user can use the telephone to page the corresponding zone. Thank you for watching this video. For more details, please refer to the user manual.